can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in.
Hindi, ang alam ko lang dyan yung mga dinadala-ganyan mo, minamassage mo yung mga katawan, ayun lang.
What I think about physical therapy is that it is a systematic study, of course, and it mainly focuses on the physical attributes of man.
You don't have to be just good in academics. Kailangan magaling ka rin sa mga, you have to be creative kasi hindi lang naman iisang patient ang makakaharap mo. You have to be creative in terms of treatment, in terms of everything. Kasi hindi lang naman sa libro yung PT eh. Kasi hindi lang yung mismong treat mo yung problem ng patient mo. Kasi you give life to them. You give life and you give them hope. Yun. So, as a physical therapist, kailangan lagi mong alalahanin na hindi ka lang PT, hindi lang siya pasyente. Dapat lagi mong iisipin na yung kaharap mo, na nag-aaral ako, hindi lang dahil sa ACADS, nag-aaral ako para ma-improve ko yung life ng magiging patient ko. So, ayun. Kaya nag-aaral ako kasi gusto ko, pagdating ng time na makaharap ako ng maraming patients, gusto ko, alam ko kung anong gagawin ko. Ayun. Yun na.
To become a physical therapy student, you need to have the patient talaga because you're gonna read a lot of books. Kasi meet niyo si Bradom, Sullivan, Delisa, and all of the stuff. So, before, ngarag na kami sa klase, gano'n, puyat kami, may exam pa, gano'n. So, kailangan talaga ng patience and you need to focus on your goal na papasa ako, magiging intern ako. So, ayun, just do your best. Kasi in the end, kapag meron ka ng PTRP sa pangalan mo, sobrang nakaka-proud.
PT students, of course, you need to be flexible and you need to be hardworking. Sabi ko nga, you will be dealing with a lot of books, a lot of journals, a lot of lectures for that matter. So, you need to be hardworking. It's not enough na mabasa niyo siya. It's important that you understand the concept of everything because eventually you will be dealing with the lives of your patients. So, yun. But it's not an easy task. It's a difficult process. But one of the skills na kailangan i-develop ng physical therapy student is despite all the hardships of a student, a successful PT student should learn how to enjoy the journey. So, kaya niyo.
In my opinion, being a clinician, the past few years, I always come back or stick back to the three things that is embedded in me. That is the sandwich principle, and that is the assessment, treatment or intervention, then reassessment. And actually, that's just the gist of the being what a clinician is. And if you want to be a better clinician, knowing those 3 principles, you have to be contemplating or thinking PT, because an example would be if you have been a PT for the longest time, let's say 10 years, and there's a new PT around that has graduated already, what's the difference? You both know the same. The only thing, you both know the same things. What's the only difference? The experience. But the thing is, if the 10-year-old PT doesn't use his brain or contemplate on how to make the patient better and just ask the doctors what to do, then there's no much room for growth, right? So I think that's just my opinion. Okay na yan?
Oh, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover.